Oh yeah, recording 23. You see where we are.
Your song.
Until I get stuck. Yeah, shot. Oh my gosh, we're totally gonna get stuck. You in two-wheel?
Yep.
We're definitely not four-wheel. Freaking high standard right here. Oh god, hit like a God dang it. The cans. Are they empty? Why are you collecting all the cans? Oh my god. Oh, we just jumped over there. Oh my gosh. Tell him, Sean, we're gonna die. We're gonna die, man. We're gonna die. Oh my gosh! We're in two-wheel drive. We're gonna get stuck. Okay? We're not even doing twin. We're gonna get stuck in the wind. We're not even moving. Oh my Hold it together. Oh yeah, that's so belly. Yeah, don't go off. Gravel around your ankle.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're gonna die! Oh my god! I think I nailed the Ow! Wow, did you just get that? No. Oh my god. Ow! We're neutral. What the heck happened? I don't know. You just get this one? I was wondering why we stopped. Oh my gosh! You bumped the neutral! Look at that!
Oh my god, that's freaking
Sean, wait, watch it. What does that have to do with?
Oh my god.
As long as we don't get.
Oh my god!
I feel
Get me out of here!
Don't go that way! Oh my gosh, how do we get out of there? We gotta look at that. That's cool. Oh my gosh. Did you hit that pretty hard? You were like nose first straight down.
Oh my god. Oh my
I've
god.
never been this rowdy in my foot.
Did you just get this one?
No, it was there.
Was that one there?
Yeah,
it was. Oh, just
whistling.
I just saw my life flash before me.
That's sick. Wow.
Dude.
Oh man. Nasty. Your leg hit the shifter. I didn't know if it hit your head.
Well,
I think I hit
I know.
Can get down there. I don't know. Like 5 pieces of my body hit everything. I don't know what happened.
Oh.
Right, probably had to tell him like, where are you guys?
I thought we were gonna go ahead over here. I was like, oh god.
I was like, we're boned.
Like, we're fine. Oh.
Sounds kind of
How do you stop?
Who cares?
How do you stop?
Go back to 2 and we're good.